SmartMove has its own configurable inbuilt meter called the Soft meter. The Soft meter rates can be configured by the fleet managers, and any changes are available immediately. The Soft meter uses the vehicle GPS position to calculate the distance traveled. Therefore, it is preferred that valid GPS signal is available. Otherwise, a time-only calculation will be performed. To access the Soft meter, select Detail, Open Meter, or select the car icon here. To start the Soft meter, press the Start button. The meter will begin running. You will be able to view fare details, including total fare, running time, distance traveled. Selecting the Extras button allows you to add additional charges such as airport fees or cleaning fees. Some of these extras, such as booking fee or levy, may be automatically applied for you depending on the meter setup. To stop the meter, select Pause, then Stop. The fare payment screen will then appear. If you have the new Cabcharge terminal installed, you can select Cabcharge. The fare details will turn yellow, indicating that the fares is being transferred from SmartMove terminal to the Cabcharge for payment processing. From the Cabcharge terminal, passengers can tap their card or pay by cash to complete the payment. Drivers will then be prompted with the option to print a customer receipt if required. Once the transaction is completed, the status will change from yellow to green. Drivers can then return to the main screen. You can select a different tariff by choosing this. A tariff selection screen will appear where you can choose an alternative tariff. For example, if there are 5 or more passengers, you can select Maxi Day. Some tariffs may not be available to you based on the time or day that the trip is being started. There are meter statistics available in the Stat menu. Your fleet may also have the agreed fare option available, which allows the driver and passenger to negotiate and agree on a fare before the trip begins. In some regions, there are regulations that require a set fare to be used from specific pickup locations. This can be configured and will be presented to the driver based on the GPS location.